Hello YouTube viewers, thank you for tuning into my channel today. You must be saying, what's all this? Well, I'm experimenting making chairs. I made one to match this little table here. This is a marble tile with some magnets as the base, and I'm going to be making an event with food and tables, chairs, and all that, but I didn't have any chairs to go with something like that. So my idea was I took a magnet, something like this. I took a magnet like that, so you can see that that's the seating, right? And what I did was I broke these little forks because they snap off very easily. So you see that middle part there? That middle part are the legs. See the legs of the chair? That's this middle part. And I'll show you that it snaps off very easily. See what I'm saying? So I'm left with that part. So I have a few here that I snapped off those little forks. And that's what I'm going to use as the legs for the chair. I'm going to use super glue. That's how I made that one. And then for the back, I'm going to use the leftover part of the fork, which is this one. I already have a piece here, and that's gonna be the back. See, they look like clips. And even clips might be another idea for the backing. So these you can use as the back. And you can use either glue or maybe some transparent tape. But I'm trying to use glue. But this is what I'm using to make these little chairs because I wanted them to match these tables that I'm going to use for the event. Okay, so stay tuned for more and thank you for watching.